Good evening, everyone. And we are about a week and a half until Christmas. It's hard to believe. I feel like December has just flown by. So, this is our final episode of holiday recipes and DIY. And today I'm making some of my favorite gifts and also something that I keep in most rooms in my home. We have these in our bathroom this season. I keep them in the living room to freshen linens. I also keep in the bathroom. So I just said that. But I keep all different places in our house just to freshen the air. You're all not only getting the benefits of a nice fresh smell or neutralizing the odor that might be there or lingering, but you are getting aromatic benefits of these essential oils as well. So I'm going to talk very briefly about that, but search in my Zen with Oils public education group if you have more questions on why these oils do these things or how they can benefit you physically. So all you need today: jars, water, a funnel, and these oils. Okay, so it's about 1/4 of a cup distilled water. You can use Kangen water. You can use tap water even. The only thing is with tap water, if it's going to sit for a long period of time, so if you're not going to use it, it can kind of change because of the minerals in the water, it can change a little bit the aroma that you're getting. So just be aware of that. So the first one that I'm going to share with you is Christmas potpourri. It is really like cinnamon, pine, and orange, and it smells completely like Christmas to me. This would be a great recipe to also scent your potpourri, actual potpourri with essential oils. You can also do scented pine cones. You can scent Christmas cards by just putting them in a bag with some paper towel with the oils on it as well. So those are some tips that you can do during the holiday season. They're super, super easy. But what you do, I always recommend doing the oils first. You want the oils in the bottom of the jar, then fill the water, but you have to watch very, very carefully to make sure that you don't overfill or all those oils will come right out. So Christmas potpourri, you have 2 drops of cinnamon. We have our cinnamon, which is a great immune booster. It is part of the On Guard blend. It's definitely a holiday aroma. 2 cinnamon and 2 fir. So I'm using fabulous Douglas Fir, which is like a wonderful Christmas tree. This is great for your respiratory system. So opening up your airways and keeping you breathing nice and well. It's going to be 2 drops of clove. Clove is also high in antioxidants of essential oils, great for your immune system. And then last, we're going to do 1 drop of rosemary, which is great for everything mental health and even hair growth. And then last, 1 drop of wild orange. And then, got a drop on my desk. Then just use your funnel, add your water. A little bit at a time is all you need. Up about to the top. Then you're gonna put in your spray bottle cap, shake and spritz in whatever room you want to smell like Christmas. You can even do this to spray your Christmas trees. So it's a very nice fine mist spray. And it smells divine. I love the smell of the Christmas potpourri. I go through a lot of it. Okay, next we're gonna make spiced hot cider. So this one has a lot of overlap of the other ones, but the other one smells like Christmas potpourri. This one really does smell like a cider. So it's the same process. You're gonna do your 3 drops of cinnamon in the bottom. It's gonna be 3 drops of wild orange. 1, 2, 3. 3 wild orange. And then 2 clove. And 2 cloves. So again, uplifting, immune support, high antioxidants, smells divine. You will definitely feel great smelling this aroma. These are great for like poo-pourri type sprays. So just to keep in your bathroom if there's number 2s happening or anything like that. I almost overflowed this one. Super close. Let's see. I'm afraid to put the lid on it without a towel nearby. Let's grab the towel. So then you just spritz it on. That was really close to the top. shake it and spray. But they're great for like poo-pourri sprays. They're great gifts. If you're doing like a gift basket and you're giving some other, relatives or friends, neighbors, etc., these are great to throw in there, and they're super easy and quick to make. So very, very nice. So spiced hot cider, and again, this one really smells like a cider. It's crazy how it really, really replicates. Like apple cider. It's crazy. Okay, my last one, I'm actually not making it, but it is one of my favorites, and it is called Peppermint Stick, and you need these 2 oils. This is really good for respiratory, immune support, all the things that we need this type of season. So you've got peppermint and you have holiday joy. And it, in the same size, your 4-ounce bottles, you do 5 drops of each of these and then fill the rest with water, shake it and spray, and you have yourself a peppermint stick. Now, any of these combinations can also be diffused. So if you're curious on how, or you don't have the spray bottles, or you're like, okay, what ratio would I use? You're pretty much the same. If you have a really large water tank, you might increase by 1 or 2 drops for every single oil, but it's about the same ratios that you would use. So thank you everyone for tuning into our holiday DIY recipes series. I hope you learned some nuggets, and I look forward to seeing you guys and learning alongside you in 2021. So this will be our last live for 2020, and you will catch me on YouTube and in our Facebook group, Zen with Oils Public Education, for more DIYs and fun stuff coming in the new year. So Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone. Thanks again. Bye, guys.